Okay, so the next topic is setting up alerts. So when do you use alerts? Alerts you use to be alerted through a text or through email, um, or through a push notification in case there is a threshold that was breached, or an event that occurs. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about what these events are. So for a regular sensor, you can actually see that there is the water level is sampled every 15 minutes or whatever times you have selected. Now, in this case, the customer or this particular owner of this gauge have defined a, a threshold of 7, and anytime the level of the water goes above um, this threshold, uh, the anybody who's subscribed to this particular location, the Waimea location, they will get an alert and a link to this gauge telling them that hey, it has breached that threshold. Um, so how do you first of all set up these thresholds? These thresholds are set up. It's an advanced topic under the settings. Um, if you're the owner, you have access to the settings screen, and in these are the alert thresholds that you can specify. So in this particular case, the threshold is set to 7.51 feet of water. Anytime the water level goes on above 7.5 feet, the customer or anybody who's subscribed to this location, they'll get an alert. How do you subscribe to it? First of all, to subscribe to it, you have to be logged in. Um, Anybody who wants to get an alert, they need to be logged in. Remember, you don't need to be logged in just to view data. But in case of alerts, you do need to be logged in, and there's a separate video session of how to create, register yourself, how to create that login, and have the owner of the gauge approve you to be a part of this location. Anyway, so I'm logged in, and in order to be able to get an alert, I have to subscribe. Now, to do that, it's kind of hard to see for you, but I'm gonna zoom into this right side of the screen. You can actually, this is the this particular little bell over there is what is used for subscribing to this location's alerts. So right now I'm subscribed already, so I see this as a filled little bell. This is my email and this is my phone number to which I'm subscribed to. So anytime an alert occurs, it will send to my cell phone number or my email address, my personal email address, and that's kind of how it works. If I can unsubscribe from it, and normally you're unsubscribed, so you will see that it's not, this little bell is not filled. Okay. So anyhow, once subscribed, you will start getting alerts anytime that threshold is breached. You can define multiple levels of threshold, by the way. You can have up to 4 level of thresholds. And in addition to that, you can define these thresholds to be either on rising or falling. In other words, if the level is going above this threshold, you will get an alert if you're subscribed to the rising alert, and then you'll get an alert on the way on the water level going down if you are subscribed to the falling alert level.